Master the art of feedback. Objective versus subjective feedback. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to delve deep into a crucial aspect of improving your public speaking and presentation skills. It's all about how to analyze and interpret feedback, specifically distinguishing between subjective and objective feedback. This understanding will enable you to make the most out of the critiques you receive, allowing you to grow and refine your presentation skills more effectively. So, let's jump right into it. Before we go any further, it's important to understand what feedback actually is. Feedback is information about your performance or behavior that you receive from others. It can help you see your strengths and areas for improvement from a different perspective. Feedback can be categorized into two main types: objective and subjective. Objective feedback is based on measurable facts and often comes with concrete evidence. It doesn't change based on the person's beliefs, preferences, or feelings. For example, if someone tells you that your presentation lasted 30 minutes, that's objective feedback. On the other hand, subjective feedback is based on personal opinions and feelings, which can vary from person to person. For instance, if someone tells you that your presentation was interesting, that's subjective feedback as it's based on their personal opinion. The key to distinguishing between objective and subjective feedback lies in identifying whether the feedback is based on measurable facts or personal opinions. Objective feedback usually involves quantifiable measures or specific observations. It's typically less prone to personal biases as it's based on facts that anyone can independently verify. For instance, if someone says, "You pronounced the word presentation correctly," it's objective feedback because the correctness of pronunciation can be checked against standard pronunciation rules. In contrast, subjective feedback is based on the person's thoughts, feelings, or personal beliefs. It may be influenced by their biases or preferences. If someone says, "Your presentation style is engaging," it's subjective feedback because what one person finds engaging might be boring for another. Both objective and subjective feedback are important for your development. Objective feedback helps you identify factual areas for improvement, such as time management or correct pronunciation. Subjective feedback, while based on personal opinions, can provide insights into how well your presentation connects with different audiences. The trick is to use them wisely. Consider objective feedback as your basis for technical improvements. Use subjective feedback to understand diverse audience reactions and to tailor your presentation style accordingly. Always remember that while interpreting subjective feedback, it's essential to consider the perspective of the person giving the feedback. That wraps up our exploration of feedback, distinguishing between subjective and objective feedback, and how to utilize them to enhance your presentation skills. We hope this video has helped you gain a deeper understanding of the types of feedback and how they can contribute to your growth as a public speaker or presenter. Keep practicing, keep receiving feedback, and most importantly, keep learning from it. Remember, every piece of feedback is a stepping stone towards becoming a better speaker. We'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!